Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to calculate the shipping charges in AllChinaBuy. First, you need to go to their website. After going to the website, you have to go to the shipping calculator beneath the search bar. Click on it. After clicking on it, it will take you to this page. On this page, you have to select the country where you are going to ship your product. After entering your country name, you have to select the warehouse. After selecting the warehouse, you have to enter the details of the product, like its weight. For mine, it's 500 gram. And also you have to enter the sizes of the product, like its length, it's 20 in centimeter, in width it is also 20 in centimeter, and the height it's 20 in centimeter. After this, you'll see the item category. Click on item category. You will see the textile and leather items, liquid powder. You have to select any one of them according to your product. I am getting the textile and leather item. By clicking on it, I have to select any of this option. I'm going with the common brand. After getting the common brand, I'm going to deselect it. After that, you have to click on check now. After clicking on check now, you can see that how much it will cost you for the shipping of this order. I hope this video helped you. If it does, then please like and share our video. Also subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.